And so what that leaves is the printhead mounting. I don't know if this is the part that actually heats up the filament or not. I suspect that's what it is. Our next job then is to remove that using these two screws. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. Okay, these two screws have been loosened, and these are longer screws to make it through that block, and they go into there. So now what we want to do is I think we want to uncouple this from some of these connectors here so that we can break it loose. And here's what we're looking for. So that's the problem. You can see that quite a bit of filament has built up around here. In fact, this is still fairly warm, so be careful when handling this, and you don't want to burn yourself as it does get rude. So what I'm going to do, this is just loose filament.